Alright, so this is my 2017 Fireworks Dash Part 2, Firework Pickup Part 2. I went, something, good things eventually happened. I got some deals at the buy one, get one free fireworks store down the street. So this is Part 2. I'm actually glad I got a Part 2. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I got some of these neon baby widows. Last year I had these and I like them. And I got one of those. I got another box. Free, so I got 2 boxes of those. So that's the first box. Second box. So that's 2 boxes. 6 piece. I got another box in here. So only paid like for these. I got buy one get one free. So I got 3 of them. I'm supposed to get one free, but they gave me one free, so I got 2 of them. 6 pieces of those. So 6 piece, and these go in. There's a small canisters. I got another thing. I got is 36 shot happy. I only paid $10 for this. So that's the first one. The first one. Here's the second one. $36 shot happy. I got 2 of them. Another thing I got is I got a 21 shot blackjack. This is a good cake. I got a deal, so everything is good. I mean everything was like, this was like $14.99. That's the first one. Here's the second one. This is another one called Beast Mode, 21 shots. So as of now, that's what I got. 2 36 shot happies, 21 blackjack, 21 Beast Mode, 3 canister baby willows. That's the first set. And this is actually going to be a nice holiday. I'm glad everything's going to work out. Another thing I got some of these. Found these bad boys, they had them, so I got 2. Some Sammy's, 2 boxes of these. Sammy's best. So 2 of those. Yeah, 2 of them. Another thing I got is 5 shot of these. The Big Nasty, 4 of them. Fit $14.99. That's the first thing I got. Here's the second one. There's 2 of them. I got some of these Thunder Sticks. That's the first one. Got another one. 10 shot. So as you can see, I got a deal. All this costs, I paid only $60, 75. I would have paid 100, but everything's buy one get one free. I only went up there because I had coupons. So this is part 2 of my firework pickup, and this is gonna be this is the last pickup. This is pretty much, this is it. This is pretty much it. I mean, I might make another trip up there, but it depends. But I got another one. This is gonna be the best holiday. I'm gonna have a hell of a lot. That's including my first stash I showed. So this is what I got. This is pretty much gonna go in. I mean, everything here is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 packs, 12 of those. Thunder Sticks 10-shot 5 for those big nasties, and I got some baby willows. Everybody up there was cool. So this is by Pyro Monk. That's my new YouTube name. I was Dragon Monk, but now it's Pyro Monk. But since I'm a martial arts student, I'm just gonna call myself a Pyro Monk, because everything I do is with the power behind it, you know, speed and power. But I hope everyone have a nice July 4th. This is my second firework pickup part 2, and enjoy. Peace.